Hello everyone and welcome to ePathshala. Today we're going to discuss something about creative writing and the course that we do in here. So the creative writing is something that everybody faces a problem with. In here at ePathshala, the course that we conduct is pretty much the whole of creative writing in a nutshell. We start off with fiction where we have horror and suspense, science fiction, mystery thrillers, detective novels. We do not lose the modern perspective while we do the retelling of the fairy tales and of course some case studies to gain inspiration from. Moving on to the non-fiction where we deal with autobiographies, biographies, expository, argumentative texts. We also deal with article writings and of course case studies, the brilliant ones that has already been written to have some inspiration of course. Then we also have blog writing, which is a very popular option nowadays. Creating a blog has almost become a fashion. It is so much in vogue. Proofreading, which is always an important thing while you are writing some content or writing a blog. We have some tips and tricks to increase the traffic on your blog or on your website. Then moving on to the classics one, that is the drama. I know the drama is somehow a little bit old, but it still, it still gains a lot of focus. We cannot forget Shakespeare, rereading and reading Shakespeare, constructing the one actual drama, the theatrical terms, the Freytag pyramid or the narrative arc, like the exposition, climax, falling action and then resolution. And then we go on to the journalistic writing, which is again a very popular one, where we have official, unofficial letters which help the students of CBSE, ICSE who are going to appear for the boards. They can do the report writing, skimming and scanning. All the journalism students, this is a great opportunity to get enroll yourself, and you can easily skim and scan a text, write a lot of reports. You'll be able to send formal emails in a correct manner. Skills that are taught in here, of course, grammar is the first one you cannot forget. You cannot be syntactically wrong while you're writing something. The narrative arc, the exposition, the rising action, the climax, the falling action and the resolution. Proofreading, of course, your writing should be free of any mistakes. Copywriting, the difference between proofwriting and copywriting, many of the students do this mistake. Content writing, of course, which is a very popular option, which is a very option in demand. Skimming and scanning, as I already mentioned. And the last but not the least, enhanced vocabulary. You cannot beat the power of a good vocabulary. Lastly, business English. How to present the graphs, how to present a presentation in a meeting. Letter formats, formal invitations and their replies, which is again going to help the board students. What are the advantages that you can gain while enrolling or when you have enrolled? Writing a story will be easy with the tips and tricks we give you. Email writing and conducting a meeting presentation will be no more dreadful, and of course it will be extremely beneficial to blog writers. Now, what is the course duration? Generally it takes 5 to 6 months. And why does it take so much of time or this much of time? We have time distribution, or we have segmented it. For the fiction, it takes with all the genres and the case studies, it generally takes up to 8 to 9 classes. The non-fiction takes 8 classes approximately, with all the several writing techniques where you are exposed to different types of writing, be it autobiography, biography, argumentative, expository, or there are others as well. Blog writing, which is again in vogue, it takes like 4 classes. Moving on to drama, which is the toughest section, it takes at least of 7 classes. And the journalistic writing takes about 8 classes, along with a formal presentation where you are asked to be a news telecaster and present the news. Who can join? Students of age group 14 to 20 years old can join the creative writing classes, but it's not really a limitation. Other than this age limit, you can also join. You are also heartily welcome. Again, students' testimonials, nobody can give you a fair idea how the creative writing classes are going on in ePathshala. So the link will be given in the description box below. You can check it. I'll give the link in the I button as well. So you can click there and know that how the students react to the course. They're utterly pleased as they find a free space in between their tight schedule where they can soar high with their creative wings. A little preview for you, if you can check, the link again will be given in the description box as well as in the I button of how how this creative writing is going on. Again, you can also check out the other videos where I have given the 10 secret ways how to create horror and suspense in your story. So that will help you tremendously. Trust me, just go watch the video, and when you are done, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Lastly, this is the joining address. WhatsApp or call us at the following number. Email ID is given. Again, everything you will find in the description box below. So with this, I'm going to say bye-bye and welcome to ePathshala. This is what we do. This is where you can contact us. It is an online learning platform, and we have the students from JNU, NIT, JUCU, WebSU. We welcome you with extended arms. Please join us and experience the digital way of learning. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye-bye.